Hi everyone, Builder Dave here, and continuing our whiteboard series, and adding to that is the big question of why would you? Why would you build a house out of concrete? Sometimes I ask the question, why would we build a house out of wood? And to continue that thought process, I wanted to kind of illustrate very simply the difference between an ICF exterior walled house and a wooden home. And this represents a house with an in-ground basement. This could be a crawl space, but again, for this example, we're showing a full basement and a first floor. What we have is our ICF wall, which is going from the footer all the way up to the roof. And with our wood framed wall, we're showing our footer, our conventional concrete poured foundation wall. Floor joist now sits on top of the foundation wall, and our wood frame wall continues on the top. So this represents 2x4 or 2x6 wall. This would represent a 11, almost 12-inch thick ICF wall. So again, everything's the same from here down, concrete just encapsulated with insulation, and we have wood framing on the upper floors. If this home had a second floor, we would just repeat the process and the ICF wall would continue up another level. Thanks. Take care.